gonna be a good day.
Hey, welcome to another mukbang. I'm Lisa, and today I have some donuts and a ham and cheese croissant. I was really wanting these maple old-fashioned donuts because they're my absolute favorite. And then I decided to get half a dozen because why not? And this huge ham and cheese croissant, like look at it. Look at it, the size. I got this from a place called Spud Nuts. Okay. Shall we dig in? And I actually drove to the place and got it for myself this time. Kind of wish they had something other than ham, but that's what they had. The croissant part of it is really good. Okay, so not only did I get the maple old fashioned, I also got the maple buttermilk, which I'm excited to try this. I think it's going to be exactly like these, but just the shape, you know. Glazed twist, chocolate twist, and then jelly filled. I think she said it was either cherry. I asked for raspberry, so she handed me that one, but then somebody else said it was cherry. I don't know which one is real. We'll see. I need to grab a napkin. Okay. Should I take a bite now? Let's get into some of this a little bit. Did you see that? I salivate so much. Okay. And I'm actually filming in the morning today. No, sir. Yum. And I did get some orange juice that they had. I've really been wanting orange juice. It says 100% juice, so. Still gonna pour it in my glass, though. If only I had some champagne to go in here, huh? Whoa. Not the best orange juice, but it's good. You know, it doesn't really taste that much like orange juice. I don't know. Not a very strong orange flavor. Okay, so I know this texture is probably going to be exactly the same, but I'm still going to take a bite. Look at this massive donut, though, guys. Mm. I think I like the texture even better because this one's a little more crispy. Mm. So Cora, you asked me how my cats are adjusting. I haven't responded to the comment yet, but I'll respond to it in the video. They've actually been doing better because we've been like exposing them to the cats here and there, the other cats in the house and stuff like that. And they get a little restless sometimes because they are in only like half the house for some of the day. Like if I'm back here, we can't watch them because we don't trust Cheeto with the other cats right now. LeBeau seems to do fine for the most part, except for my sister. So there's 2 kittens and then 2 fully grown cats that my sister has. Excuse me. And Cheeto likes to like hunt them. Like he looks like he's like about to be a predator on them. So we never let him actually do anything, obviously. But since he's been getting it, it's a slow going process, but he's been understanding that he's not supposed to be doing that. And he'll get back to it. He'll get better, but it's just a process. Mm. Yeah. So much sweets. Chugging this orange juice. Guess I was thirsty. Okay. Jelly filled are like some of my favorites. What's that chalk down there? Mm. What are your favorite donuts? What are your favorite donuts? Mm. Mm. Definitely softer than these ones, you know, but I love that fruity taste. Mm. Let's see if I can tell the difference with the taste. I can't tell if it's cherry or raspberry. Tastes good though. And cherry and raspberry are my two favorite berries flavors. So so much at the end. Need to sit that one up so it doesn't leak. Yeah, the cats have been good, but it's been pretty stressful though, honestly. And that's the only thing that I've been feeling guilty about is the fact that they just like, they had a bigger house and yeah, I don't know. It's not like I really had a choice, so I keep trying to tell myself that. Definitely need this to break up the sugar a little bit. Why does that taste tart all of a sudden? Okay, let's try a simple one. Glazed twist. I'm making a mess all over my lap with all these little crumbs that are falling off. You know, I so much would rather prefer these types of donuts over Krispy Kreme donuts. They just are better, in my opinion. The texture is way better. Very simple, but so good. Are any of you doing anything for Cinco de Mayo on Sunday, or do you ever celebrate that? I know there's always like events in bigger cities and stuff like that. I got hair in my mouth. Still feel like it's like on my face. What the? Donuts always make me full fast because of the amount of sugar. Like, they make me not want to eat as much. Like, what is it? They give me flavor fatigue fast. That's what it is. I don't know how people do big old donut challenges. I don't know that I've ever finished any of my donuts on my channel. I just like to try them all. Literally, it's just for me, so. Chocolate. That was a lot for me. Especially for my first meal of the day, I think. It'll be a shorter mukbang for sure. That's alright. Yeah. I don't think that I can handle much more, you guys. But anyway, yeah, tell me what your favorite, like plain glazed chocolate or old fashioned or maple or filled. And then what style of donut you like, the buttermilks, the twists, the regular bars, regular just donuts, and then old-fashioned. Yeah. So happy I got to eat some yummy donuts with you today. Thank you for joining me. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!